In today's video I'm going to show you how to recover your phone number to your Wix account. First thing first, let's head over to your profile settings. Look at the top right corner of Wix dashboard. See our profile icon? Go ahead and click on it to open the little menu. From this menu, click on Account Settings. Now that you are in the account settings, scroll down a bit until you spot Login Info section. Under Login Info section, you will see an option that says Recovery Phone Number. Click on Add Phone Number, and this is where you will start adding your details. New window will pop up, and here you can choose your country from drop down menu. Once you select your country, go ahead and type in your phone number in the space provided. Wix will now send you 6-digit verification code to number you enter. Check your phone for text message from the Wix. It should contain your code. Type that 6-digit code into a pop-up window on screen and hit confirm. Your number is now saved as recovery option on your account. If you ever need to update or disable your number, just click on Enable button.